Hello guys, again today we have a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this wireless charging, and I purchased this from eBay. They only cost about 1.7 euros and 2.4 euros. Okay, and let's start with those. Very simple, a blue soft pad from both sides, some input. We have a 1.5 milliamps made in China wireless charging pad, and let's see the other. Some instructions. Fantasy wireless charger, wireless limitless. Okay. Input and output. We have 5 volts, 2 amps input, 5 volt 1 amps output, made in China. White and clear plastic. It feels very nice. I prefer that from that. About the design, and let's try to charge something wirelessly. I will try it on Galaxy S9 Plus. Don't expect to charge this in 2 hours. It's not a fast charger. It will definitely do 4 hours to charge the phone. I'm not going to test it. I'm pretty sure about that because it's only 1 amp. Let's connect this. Has to light up. And here we have an LED indicator. Let's put my Galaxy. Okay. And now it's charging. Okay, about 3 hours, 23 minutes until full charging. Well, 3 hours, more or less, I guess 4 hours. Well, let's try the other one. Oh, we have a blue indicator and then it goes to red in the center. How do you see? Let's put, and it goes blue. Okay. Nope. He's trying to charge it. Nope, no indicator that is charging. Oh, here it is, now it's charging. Yep. And again the same, 3 hours 23 minutes until full charging, and definitely it will go 4 hours. Well, that was all. This small and cheap wireless charging. I don't know how much safe it can be for your phone, but wireless charging technology is not something like a nuclear scientist. And with all that, guys, well, for having fun and play with this, just buy it. It only costs 2 to 3 euros. Thank you for watching this lovely video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but hit the notification bell. More videos in the future are coming, then you don't want to miss it, and share this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.